Hello YouTube. In today's video we're going to talk about creating users in Active Directory. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get notifications. Alright, let's go ahead and begin. So you can come to the Start menu and you want to go to your Windows Administrative Tools and you want to select Active Users and Computers. You can also drag it to your desktop, or you can place a copy of the icon on your dashboard or toolbar. Alright, so I'm going to click on that, Active Directory Users and Computers. And I'm going to blow this up for you so you can see. And you have an overall OU right here, organizational unit for users. Or we can make our own custom one. I'm going to make our own custom one by going to New. We're going to make our group. I'm going to make a group name first. We're going to say HR. Alright. And then we're going to make an OU unit for them. Let's say Human Resources. Alright, so that's our new organizational unit here. And then inside of that, we want to make new users, add new users to that. And the first one is going to be Sam. And we're going to make the last name Smith. And we're going to make the login Smith or S Smith. There we go. First, last name. First initial and last name. So next. Next. Then we're going to make a temporary password. Usually when you work in a professional environment, you want to check this box right here. Use must change password at next login, because you're usually creating a temporary password, and that's what you would do here. Create the temporary password, then check that box. Okay. And any other troubleshooting you have, if the account is disabled, you would check that box, things like that, if you want to disable it. And then if you want to lock in a password, users cannot change passwords. So I'm just going to use my favorite password, 1234, just for the sake of time and not forgetting passwords. And I'm going to hit next and then finish. And he's going to be right placed inside the Human Resources organizational unit. And then I can come back and add Sam Smith to a group. And that group will be the HR group. And you would check names, and then it auto-populates. And you say, okay. It was successfully completed. Will pop up when you know you got the person in there. And then you can just come back and double-click on that user. And you can find out the general information on them. The description, you can update that. Their office, what they're in. You can say HR generalist. If you want to position the office, it could be HQ, your headquarters, or main office, headquarters, main, whatever. Telephone numbers can be populated. All right, and then the email, sam.smith@case.com. And if they had any other web page, addressings, account, stuff like, so it's using this right here. User login name is smith@case.com. It's showing you the domain is case, and the user login is smith. If you need to unlock the account, you would check this box. I mean, this box would be checked if it was locked. And these are all the other account options. You can say this account expires never, or you can put it expires in May. or any other date for that matter. Then you have profile settings. If you had any shared directories or anything like that, that would be in here. Telephones, any organizational information, additional information you need. Environment. Let's go look at the member of. Now, member of tab will tell us what group memberships this person actually has, and everyone will be in domain users underneath the domain they're part of, and then the special groups will be HR. So let's talk about that a little bit more. So the HR group will more than likely provide Sam Smith with HR responsibilities, everything that every HR administrator would have or need to have to fulfill the duties of their jobs, using least privileges. So that would give the person the least amount of privileges just to do his or her job tasks on a day-to-day basis. So keep that in mind. You wouldn't want to give the HR people finance permissions or be a part of the finance group or even the IT administrators group, because that's not their job functionality. All right. Then you have remote control settings. If this person is allowed to remote into things, if they're allowed to remote desktop, and if they do, what is their profile path? And you have so many other things that you can do. Active Directory is pretty sweet. I'm just going to go ahead and apply the settings that I changed. And as you can see here, it came up in the description. He's an HR generalist, and his basic type is user. You can also be an administrator and have elevated privileges. We could also set computer settings and things like that. I'm going to do another video on adding users to a domain and adding them in that directory. Thanks, comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell so you can get these notifications, and continue to share. I appreciate all the love and support. Thanks.